Hi everyone, welcome back. 2 years ago I already recorded a video about how to install OpenCV, and today I wanted to update my OpenCV version. Also at the same time I wanted to show you how to install OpenCV. So you can follow the same steps with me and you can install OpenCV 4.8.0, which is the latest release in your operating system. By the way, my operating system is Ubuntu 16.04, but it doesn't matter. Even in your case, your operating system can be Ubuntu 18 or Ubuntu 20. It doesn't matter. Just follow the same steps. You are gonna be able to install OpenCV properly at the end. Okay. By the way, this is released. This is the latest release. As I said, it's just 1 week ago, July 2 is released, and there are some release highlights here. The changements are mostly related about DNN and some AI kind of things. Object detection module is interested for me because there are some changements on face detector and some QR code side. Maybe I can make another video about these contents in the future. For now, I'm just gonna skip this part. If you are interested, you can check here later. Before starting, maybe I need to warn you. This is the video which I recorded 2 years ago. I uploaded 2 years ago. Here in the description part, there are some fundamental operating system libraries installation comments. Here is very important because maybe in your case you just installed Ubuntu, you just established it. So before starting OpenCV installation, it is very important. You need to use all these commands in your terminal and you need to install all these libraries because OpenCV is gonna use these libraries. If you do not do this before starting OpenCV installation, maybe during the installation it's gonna give you error, or at the end it's not gonna work properly. So this is very important. Okay, now we can switch to the installation part. We need to download OpenCV repo, OpenCV and OpenCV contrib. How we are gonna do that? Just git clone. Maybe in the before in here I already did that. This command is gonna download, is gonna clone this git clone. Maybe I'm gonna put these commands to the description part of this video so you can copy directly. And OpenCV contrib and OpenCV also, they are gonna download OpenCV and OpenCV contrib folders to the directory you are specifying. I'm gonna use my home directory. You can use accordingly, you can use another one, but also you can choose the same directory. Okay, after downloading these folders, we can continue. Now we need to start which version of OpenCV you want to install. Since we want to 4.8.0, we need to enter first of all OpenCV contrib. Maybe in here we need to git checkout 4.8.0. so if you want to install different version, let's say 3.4.0, you need to specify, just it's gonna install accordingly. We are gonna choose 4.8.0. okay, and now it's already chosen. After that we need to enter OpenCV. In here also we need to do git checkout 4.8.0. okay, after these two commands, now we can start installation. First of all, we need to create a directory which is build, because we are gonna install it inside this build directory. Enter build. Okay, now the step is CMAKE step we are on. Here is my CMAKE command. 2 years ago I already included CUDA flags also to here. Since currently I don't have CUDA, I don't have GPU in my computer, I'm gonna skip this. This is a simple installation, I can say, but all these flags are important. I believe you are gonna need these in the future. For example, this generate pkg-config. This is gonna help you to link all OpenCV libraries easily anywhere you are using. For example, Qt. In here we are using just 2 commands, and this is gonna help to reach all the OpenCV libraries easily which we install. So this is very important. That's why we are using this pkg-config. Secondly, let's say this with Qt. In my YouTube channel, most of the people are asking to me about how you are zooming to the ImShow window. How it's happening? Because in my case it's not happening. They are asking to me because they are not installing the OpenCV with Qt is on flag. You need to make this on. they are installing most probably with the off flag, so they are not able to use the capabilities of the imshow window. So this is very important also. Also FFmpeg, if you want to use your video capture with FFmpeg flag, so you need to make this on. Yeah. Also this FFmpeg installation is needed, which is I already specified in my YouTube video, which at the beginning I showed you. You need to install those libraries. Okay. These are important I chose, so we are gonna make simple installation with these flags. Let's switch to here. We are inside this one. Let's start CMAKE. I'm gonna put this CMAKE command or also other command to the description part of this video also. And since this is gonna take little long time, I'm gonna stop the video in here so we can continue after this is done. Okay, now my CMAKE is done. After this, we are gonna make make. Yes, that's correct. And here we need to learn how many core in your case there are. In my computer is really bad. For now, it's 4 core including, and so we need to make accordingly. I'm gonna make it make G4, but if you can have 8 or 16, so you can choose J8. It's gonna be more faster. So I'm gonna start this one also. Okay, this is gonna also take little long time. After this is done, we can continue again. Okay, now the make is also done. The next step is installation step, which is gonna be sudo make install, and it's gonna finalize the last step. It's almost done. And with this step, when this is done, our installation is gonna be done. So now we are already installed OpenCV, and how to check that? We just need to make pkg-config modversion OpenCV 4. Yes, as you can see here, is showing us 4.8.0, which is our OpenCV installed properly. Why we check with this way? Because we specified in here the PC file name of OpenCV, OpenCV 4. So that's why we are writing the name of the OpenCV as OpenCV. Okay, since we already checked it's installed properly or not, but we can make another example also, maybe it's working fine. And in here at the beginning I showed you these lines, how to link OpenCV to Qt. And in this side, maybe we need to modify OpenCV as OpenCV4 because we named pkg-config name as OpenCV4. After that, I have a simple imshow example in here, and maybe we can run the code. And now it's showing properly. It means it's recognizing the OpenCV library, which I specified in here in the header side, and it's working fine. Even I can understand from the buttons, from the appearance, it changed by comparing with the previous version of OpenCV, which was exist in my computer. Now it changed and it's working very fine. And with this video, I just wanted to show you how to install the latest version of OpenCV properly, and we already installed. It's working fine. And if you have any problem, you can write to the comments so I can answer accordingly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.